I just wanted to show you guys a live trade here on the pound yen. It's up 113 pips, and this strategy I show you guys in the video where I did the FXView review of this broker. They have exactly the tools in their trader's toolbox for this strategy, so they're a great broker to use with them. Go over and check out this video if you want to learn this free forex strategy that I am using, that I took this trade. Okay, it uses 3 time frames, very simple forex strategy. You can start using it today or looking for trades, and I go over step by step in this video. So I'll post a link in the description that'll take you straight to this video, and also at the end of this video you'll be able to click this thumbnail and head straight over to it. Anyways, that's it. Pretty quick video. I just wanted to show you the live trade, and I'll pull up the chart that actually shows the 3 multi-time frames as well in FXView. Okay, this is the chart in FXView. You can see we've got the monthly, and we have the daily over on the right hand side here, and we have the hourly, which is the entry time frame. So this is the setup, you guys. I go over that exact setup, how to trade it, in this video here. So click the link in the description, watch this video. It's a really good strategy. I didn't manually take this trade. I used the UFX arrows on the 1 hour time frame to enter this trade. So it entered the trade automatically for me, and I've just managed it and put my stop loss up here as we came up into this area away from our entry. But that's it. All right, guys, talk to you later.